إن تطاول.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, our brothers and sisters in one nation. Our team here in North Gaza is starting our journey to searching for a land to have a one nation shelter village to provide for our families some suitable village or some suitable tent to take it as a shelter. As you know, after the ceasefire, our families cannot find any home for them. Inshallah, with your efforts, with your support, we will build this village.
تعذر ركبنا وسط أرتال الركام إن تضاءل حلمنا أو تناثر في الزحام عندها.
So we are one nation team, and today we have completed the shelter project. So today we will prepare the first camp in North Gaza, but we prepare in sound because the lack of essential resources in Northern Gaza. So this is camp including clean water and medical and education points and prayer points and bathrooms. So in this moment we will prepare the bathrooms. Also, we will prepare administrative tents. Many thanks for all donors. The work you do is truly inspiring. We are deeply thankful for your compassion you continue to make in our community. Thank you.